Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an oxygen concentrator. First, carefully remove your oxygen concentrator from its packaging and inspect it for any visible damage. Next, find a suitable location for the unit, ensuring it sits on a flat, stable surface. Make sure there is at least 6 inches of clear space around all sides for proper ventilation. Finally, confirm the air filter is clean and securely in place before plugging the power cord into a grounded electrical outlet. Now, let's prepare the humidifier. Fill the humidifier bottle with distilled water, making sure not to exceed the maximum fill line. Screw the bottle securely onto the oxygen outlet port on the concentrator. Then, attach one end of your nasal cannula or oxygen mask tubing to the humidifier's outlet. Finally, place the nasal cannula comfortably in your nostrils or position the oxygen mask over your mouth and nose. With everything connected, it is time to power on your concentrator. Locate the power switch and turn the unit on. You will hear it start to operate. Allow the machine to warm up for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Next, carefully adjust the flow rate knob to your doctor's prescribed setting. Confirm the flow by observing the small ball in the flow meter, which should align with your desired number. Proper maintenance ensures your concentrator works effectively and safely. Clean the air filter weekly using mild soap and water, allowing it to air dry completely before reinserting. Remember to replace your nasal cannula or mask regularly, typically every 2 to 4 weeks, or as recommended by your healthcare provider. Always keep the concentrator away from heat sources and open flames. Store it in a cool, dry place when not in use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.